Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can remove conditional formatting rules we have applied to our tables in Google Sheets mobile. Okay, here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone, and I'm going to open my Google Sheets file. Okay, and here I have applied conditional formatting rules to this table, this column, this to-do list column. So we can select the column like this. And after the column has been selected, we can click on this A icon and go to cell option right here and click on conditional formatting. And as you can see that I have applied one rule to this column, then we just need to click on this delete button to remove it. Okay, and now the rule has been removed and we can click on the check mark. Okay, and as you can see that the conditional formatting rule has been removed from the to-do list column. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove conditional formatting rules we have applied to our table in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.